Okay, well, first of all, my name is Dave Petzel. I'm the designer of the Petsfang. Uh, this was designed in conjunction with a friend who is a HVAC commercial engineer who develops uh, ducting systems for large venues, and then he goes back and he balances those. So let me just show you quickly what I have here, and then I'm going to do a real-time video to kind of dispel some of the information about the installation being cumbersome. So I have all the parts to the Petsfang here. This is the base. This is for the Tornado. And it also has the BL Touch on it. That's what I'll be using on this machine. This is the wire strain that goes in the back. That will hold this in place once I remove all of the zip ties. These are the screws you need. These are 1 inch by 830 or yes 832 nylon that will hold the 5015 fan on. This is a 20 millimeter by 3 millimeter screw, and that's just a standard Phillips. I do use socket head. I would suggest socket head, but I'm going to show you that you can use a Phillips. This particular screw is going to hold the little end piece here. That is also the same screw that you will pull off the end, so you won't have to go purchase that. And these are from RTL Fasteners. These are 2 by 5/16. You can see I use these because they're socket head and they have a little bit of a shoulder on them, and it seems to hold the Petsfang in place really well. Okay, so these are the parts, the equipment you'll need to install it. Just a Phillips head screwdriver, simple Allen wrench. I'm going to use mine because I do a lot of RC work and I've got a set. You can use the ones that come with the Tevo, and then the screwdriver that comes in the Tevo kit. So let's install the Petsfang.